everyone, we are on to day 12 of our Advent page. Just trying to zoom in a little bit for you. Let's pop in here. So day 12 is this cute little star design. 13 is also a star, so we have some similarities. So I'm going to colour it in a certain way and then do 13 in a very different way. I think that will make it a bit more interesting. I had thought about doing this one in an orangey yellow, but we've got an orangey one up here, so we'll do this one differently and we'll do the orangey yellow one tomorrow. So how should we do it? Let's have a look. I think we'll go for some, see, we could do it in pink or purple or blue or something completely different, but I'm not going to do that. I think I will do some sort of browny yellows and we'll make a start. So I'm going to start with this one. This is number 182, which I'm just going to have a look up in my little book. It is 182 is brown ochre. I can't show you because it's too small and the light's all wrong anyway, so it's not good. I'm just going to zoom out a tad because I think it looks a little blurred. I'm going to take my 182 and I'm going to go around the edge with a layer. And what I'm going to do is try and make it a little bit darker nearer to this edge where we've got this outside rim. We're going to do that in a different colour, in a lighter colour, and then take some of that brown into the centre, but just gently. And basically we're just covering this area where Rita has done these little dots for us. As we have with, it's a bit tricky to get it into the corner of the page there. Try not to force the book open because you might spoil it. Just use a sharpish pencil and you can usually get fairly far in. I've managed to draw on this page. I can erase that later if I want to. I don't know if it really matters, to be honest. So I'm happy with that amount of colour. And now I'm going to grab this pencil, which is the green gold. I don't think you'll be able to see it. It's just too shiny. I don't know what it is about these. I don't know if you can read that. I don't know. So what we're going to do with our green gold is go right over the top of what we've already done and then take the colour further into the middle. By going over the top, you colour over any bits you've missed, which you may not have done, but I'm sure I have. And it also just helps to draw the colours together to help with the blend and that sort of thing. I'm not worrying about the number 12. Like with the others, I'm just ignoring it. Now what we could do, of course, if you want your numbers to stand out, just colour your item and then go back at the end and go over them in a silver or gold pen, a glitter pen, something like that, and then they would really stand out. But I don't want them to stand out, so as I've said before, that's not what I'm doing. So this is the light yellow ochre. I don't know if you can see that. Don't know. And this is my last colour for the centre here, and I'm going to just go over the whole thing again. And it looks quite dark, but I'm quite happy with that colour. I'm not leaving any whites. It's not going to look terribly shiny, but that's okay. If you've got a gold pen, you could go over those dots in gold. I don't have a gold pen at the moment. Mine, they've all run out. I use them too much. Now for this outside, I'm going to use a little bit of this on each corner. I can't fit down there on that corner, it's too far in, so I'm going to ignore that. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter colour. This is, just trying to see the number, 185. I struggle to see the number in this light, and it's Naples Yellow. And I'm going to do the rest of the outside here, but I am going to leave a little white bit right in the middle because I want it to look like this outside bit is a little bit shiny. Hopefully that will work. It's going to be tricky here, but I'll just do the best that I can. There we are. So there's the number 12. If I push it up a little bit, you can see we've got this green leaf down here, and we're going to do that one as well. So I say green leaf, it's obviously white. It's not green yet. I want to do it conventionally. We've done all our other leaves green, so that's what I'm going to do. Just having a look at my colours. What should we do? I think we'll do, let's do a more bluey green type colour. So if we go for this one, this is another enormous pencil, number 264. It is dark phthalo green. Okay, and what I'm going to do is take a bit of it in the, like that. So what I'm doing is I'm putting more layers where it's near the stem and then less layers towards the tip, and we're going to add in a lighter colour, as you may have guessed, for the end. Just gives it, it makes it more fun to colour, to be honest. And now around this plant we've got these dots. We don't have dots anywhere else on this picture apart from these dots, which are the the sort of cord that everything's hanging off. I have to have a think about that. Now I want a lighter colour. I think I'm going to go for the emerald green. I think that would be a nice, I don't know if you can see that at all. No idea. I'm going to sharpen. It's a little bit blunt. I want to get into those corners. And I'm going to do what I did with the star here and go over the top of, I can't see the star, there we go. Let's have a look at that star. So over the top of what I've done already and then fading towards the tip. And hopefully you can see that that end is a little bit darker. It's only subtle, but that's okay. There we go. So we're just doing the same with each one. It's really simple. Now these dots, I'm thinking, could they be, I'm going to do them red. I just feel that they want to be like berry-like. I don't know why, that's just my idea. I think it will look nice if you do them green. I don't think they'll really do anything. So I'm going to use the Alizarin Crimson. I don't know if I'm wasting my time trying to show you these colours. I think some brands of pencil are much easier to see. I think the gold on the polys is really tricky. Okay, so I think that's us really. That was short and sweet but fun. I am happy with a shorter video at the moment for this time of year. There is another one planned for today, hopefully. And so, you know, but you can always jump onto my Facebook page. Link is in the description. And I linked to a video, one from last year, from Johanna's advent calendar. So if you want a bit more video, then there's always plenty to see. I've also noticed that I haven't done that little triangle bit on that house. Should we do it quickly? Yes, let's. What colours did we use yesterday? Oh yeah, I sort of based everything around the Venetian Red, which I like so much. So I'm going to do it that colour. And I'm going to do a darker bit at the bottom and lighter towards the top, just the same as I did for the other one that had this sort of hanger, should we say. There, simple. That's done now. So that's that. Anyway, I'm off now, but thank you so much for watching and happy colouring.